In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic video generation on Grok AI. If Grok has been automatically turning outputs into videos and you prefer to keep things text-based, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch that off. We'll move through the app's menus in a clear order so you know where to tap, what to look for, and how to confirm the change. Start by opening your Grok account. You can do this in a web browser or the mobile app, whichever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your personal preferences. Once you're in, head to your profile area. This is typically found by clicking your profile picture or avatar, often in the top corner of the screen. Selecting your profile takes you from the main interface into your account space, where all of your personal controls live. Inside your profile, look for the Settings option. It usually appears as a gear icon or a clearly labeled menu item. Settings is where Grok groups all of the controls that affect how the app behaves, so it's the right place to make changes that apply across your account. Within Settings, find the section labeled Behavior. This area focuses on how Grok responds and presents its results. It's where options like automatic features and response styles are organized, so you won't need to dig through unrelated menus. Now locate the switch for Enable Automatic Video Generation. This is the specific control that turns automated video creation on or off. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, the switch will typically change color or move to the opposite side, indicating that the feature is disabled. Grok usually applies this change right away, so you don't need to do anything else here. From this point forward, Grok should stop generating videos automatically, which means your outputs will remain in the standard format unless you choose otherwise in a future session. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, go to your profile,